Hey everybody, I'm Tom LeBlanc, editor of Commercial Integrator here at InfoComm 2018. Right now I'm happy to be joined by Curtis Mutter of Christie Digital. So Curtis, I guess the first thing is, Christie's really known for having that kind of beacon-like presence at trade shows, and I can see it from here. You guys have that going on at InfoComm 2018. What do you want to tell us about what's going on in the booth?
Yeah, we got a lot of great stuff happening in the booth this year. Christie's really best known for kind of our display technology, projection systems. But if you come over and visit us this year, you're going to see all kinds of different stuff on our booth. It's really about integrated solutions and how we deliver content to those displays. So we certainly still have the projection systems in place. We have our discrete displays, but what you're going to find is actually a lot more about signal processing, about content delivery systems. The team I look after is actually our Mystique team, and we look after creating very large-scale projection systems with blended displays. So all kinds of different technologies that are designed to help our customers deliver these amazing experiences that wow their audiences and deliver these giant scale displays, really portray information and help get that information to the systems as they need to.
Well, one of the things you mentioned was Christie Mystique.
Yeah.
Now, that's something that I think is going to be a big topic at InfoComm 2018, specifically Christie Mystique Install. What can you tell us about what we need to know about that?
So this year at the show, we're launching Christie Mystique Install 2.0. So Mystique Install is our camera-based alignment solution designed to kind of calibrate and align multiple projectors. And this can be used for any type of display using our projection systems. So whether you're blending two projectors on a flat wall to a very complex dome display, we've had our camera-based solution for a while now. What we're showing this year is brand new technology that brings our camera-based alignment to 3D projection mapping. So if you're delivering mapping onto a complex building or a piece of architecture, a car, and you don't quite know how to align those projectors, we can help with a camera-based solution to automate that process. It's really designed to help the operators calibrate the system, keep it aligned so that that day one quality that you have can be maintained without really needing the projection expertise.
But then, like, digging a little bit deeper, there are different layers of Mystique, right? Like in different purposes. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, the one thing with projection mapping is it's not really a one-size-fit-all technology. So if I'm just blending a couple projectors on a flat wall, we have a solution where it's a single camera, kind of an off-the-shelf product. But as you kind of scale up to larger and larger displays, so if you were mapping an arena or court, like the Las Vegas Golden Knights, for example, you need a different toolkit. So what we've done is packaged Mystique Install into kind of 4 different editions, all meeting different criteria. So we would work with our customers to figure out the best fit for their application. Some of the new tools we're showing this year, so the 3D mapping that I mentioned is a part of our large-scale experience edition, where we work with our customers and deliver a complete solution from design all the way through to installation. We can help define the number of cameras we need, the types of projectors, projection layout, all of the components that go into building this system. Kind of on the lower end, with our Essentials and Pro Venue Edition, our single camera solutions, we're actually showcasing a brand new technology called Christie Guardian. And what this means is, traditionally with a camera-based alignment solution, it works by shining a bunch of structured light patterns onto the surface that get captured back into the system through the camera. We get great results with this. You can't really do it while your audience is in place. So what happens if your alignment starts to slip during your show? Well, Guardian kind of changes all of that in that we're constantly now watching the alignment, even as your show is running. So if something gets bumped, someone trips over a projector, or something is causing the projection to drift and your quality starts to degrade, we can automatically correct it so your audience is never going to know that that projection was changing. So it really changes the way we're doing multi-projector alignment.
Curtis Mutter from Christie Digital, thank you so much for talking to Commercial Integrator.
Yeah, you're welcome.